Hello, Shubham. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
Good, fine.
Thanks for asking, sir.
Okay. Shubham, you applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before starting, just tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak about myself. Um, I have completed my graduation from Nanded University. Till 10th, I have completed my schooling from Mumbai. After that, I have come to Udgir Shivaji College, Udgir, from Nanded University. I have completed my graduation with the CGPA of 8.6. Um, Also coming to my hobbies, like I love to play sports like football, cricket, and volleyball. And also I love to read books. And for means like from past few months, I have coming to interest with the coding stuff like learning web technologies. And I'm learning web technologies right now. And also uh, coming to my family background, my dad is he runs his own business, and my mother is a housewife. Also, yeah, that's all about me.
Can you give me a brief introduction about your previous organization?
Yeah, sure. So, miss like when I have completed my graduations, then I started. Miss like while doing graduation, I have completed some computer courses. Like computer courses, like some basic computer courses, like MSCIT. After that, I have completed typing courses with 40 words per minute, and I started applying for jobs. Then, for 7 months, I think I have worked as a process associate. Then after that, I have switched my jobs. Then I have applied for as a AR analyst in healthcare sector. I think for now from past more than 1 year, I am working as a AR analyst. Now I think from past few months, because of my friends, not because of my friends, I have researched some about web technologies. I mean, like from beginning only, I am getting interesting in learning coding. Also coding means then I have try to research these stuffs. Like then I have got then I get into to know about web development. What is HTML, CSS? I researched. Then I thought I will do this web development thing. And when I researched, I do means so I started with the HTML, CSS, then I started with JavaScript. So now I think I can do some projects using these web technologies. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Just a second. I'm noting some point. Now, how much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
Out of 5, I will rate myself 3.5. I will minus 1.5 because I think I just started. It's been, I think, 4 to 5 months now. There are many coders who can do better than me, who is they are faster than, I can say, they are faster than me. Now I think the web technologies has grown up more than it was previously what it was. So I think I have to learn more, and I have to speed up my limit, and I have to think out of the box, and start researching and start doing coding. So I think I will minus 1.5 in this area.
In all three.
Yes, sir.
In all three.
In all three means like.
In HTML, CSS, JS,
Yes, sir.
you are giving minus point.
No, I am giving 3 point to myself. I am minusing 1 point.
Okay. First, we go ahead with HTML CSS, then we start on JavaScript.
Okay, sir.
First, tell me what is the difference between HTML and HTML5?
Okay, HTML and HTML5, like HTML5 is the fifth version of HTML. HTML5 is the latest version in which we use some semantic tags, and also there are some tags we can use to like multimedia tags, or also there are some tags which was used in HTML5 which was not there in HTML, like strong and strong tag and em tag. Before HTML5 there is bold and italic tag. Also in HTML5 we use multimedia, like we can use videos, images, and also like in HTML5 there are some browser APIs also is there, and I can say mm, mm, mm. Semantic tag means like previously we use only div in order to create a layout. Now I think we can use there are many semantic tags like header, footer, nav, and also aside. With the help of these tags we can easily understand and read what is the meaning of this tag, like for humans also and for machines also. Header means like these headers, whatever content present in header, it represent that this is the head section. That is the difference between HTML and HTML5.
What is the difference between inline element and block level element?
Okay, inline element and block level element. Yeah, it's like inline element. It starts on a same line. Block element starts on a new line. In inline element, width is equal to contents width, and block level element width is equal to parent width. Also in inline element we can the height and width, we can't apply the height and width, and also the margin we can't give a margin in all four direction, only left, and we can apply margin in for left and right. In block level element we can give height and width also, as well as we can give margin in all four direction. To remove the side effects of the inline and block element, we use property like display inline block.
What is the difference between display and visibility hidden?
Display none and visibility hidden. Okay. Display none properties, it is used to remove the element from the UI. And visibility hidden means like it will hide the element. It will hide the element from the UI. It does not visibility hidden does not disturb the structure or layout of the UI. But when comes to the display num, it will remove the element from the UI, so it will disturb the structure or layout from the layout. Disturb the structure or layout. Yes, and also yeah, that's it.
What is box model?
Box model, yes, like in HTML, every element is a box. Every element is a box which consists of four layers, which is padding, which is content, padding, border, and margin. Content means like any element that carries information or content inside open and closed tag. Or padding means a space between border and content. Border means which separates the padding and margin. Also, margin means the outer space of element is called margin.
What is box sizing?
Box sizing means like box sizing property is used for, there are some default height, width, margin we can say to an element. In order to remove that side effect, we use box sizing border box. By default it is content box. uh, uh, Means like it is used to calculate, it is used to like how to calculate the how to control the height and width of the property. uh, yeah, so means like when we give height and width, it does not when we give height and width to an element, it does not include padding and border. When we give box sizing, border box, then we and we apply a height and width to the element, then it will includes the padding and border as well as the content height and width.
Okay. What is the key difference between HTML element and tag?
Can you repeat, sir?
What is the difference between HTML element and tags?
Difference between HTML element and tags.
Yes.
Okay, tag means like tag is a tag name. Means like there are various tag name H1, H2, S3, paragraph. There is a that is a tag name. Elements means like opening tag and closing tag in between content. Content is called the total structure is called element.
Okay. The combination of tag and text. We can say. Okay.
The combination of tag and content. We can say add the element.
What is the attribute?
Attributes, it is the most crucial part of an crucial part in order to apply CSS. Also, attribute gives a meta information of HTML element to the browser. It helps us to give styles. Also, in many ways we can use attribute in order to means like in order to link the in order to link the uh, CSS file, JS file. Also, means like there are various by default attribute present for some elements. For example, image tag has src attribute, anchor tag has href attribute, as well as the target attribute. Image tag has title and alt attribute, and also image tag is an inline element, but it poses height and width because of attribute which has by default attribute of height and width, that is attribute. So
What is the float?
float, we use float in grid system. Float means like it mostly used for layout purposes to float property, like float left, it will arrange the elements in left direction. Mm, also Also float property has some sort of errors or mistakes, like when we give float left, sometimes what happens is parent collapse, or the element come outside of the container. So in order to remove the drawback, we use display table, clear both, and yes.
What are the list in HTML?
List, yeah, list is like there are two types of list in HTML. One is unordered list, one is ordered list. Unordered list means like it will come in dotted format, not in numerical format. In dotted format, and ordered list will come in a numerical format also. Uh, uh, Alphabetical format also. Means like the numbering will be in numerical, alphabetical. We can give it for the order list. It is a list. Means like can I say, means like list of elements. List of elements like in UL li list li represent the list. UL represent the UL is the parent actually. We in which we write the li tag. We create number of li tag, how many list we want. That is list, sir.
Okay. How to achieve the? Suppose we create a one list.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to start at a starting serial number with a small Roman number. How to achieve it?
There is a property for order list we can give. There is a property, CSS property, which is the property name is text style something is there. text style alpha Roman number, right, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, then value will be means like uh, mhm. Means like it is the value will be small Roman or large Roman, like this it is, and
Yes.
means like
How to
and
achieve? Tell me just.
by using we can use CSS by selecting the tag or by a class. There are many selection methods.
Yes, I know. But what is the property name?
Property name, that uh, uh, text style or list style something is there. Means like I'm not remembering right now.
Yes. Okay. Okay, brush upon it after that. Okay. Suppose we have eight list. Okay.
Okay.
I want to background color to each even li. How to achieve it?
Uh, each even li, right? So we will use here the pseudo class nth child 2n, or nth child li is to nth child even number, or we can use 2n, so it will select
Again,
all even li.
can you repeat again?
Yes, li is to nth child 2n, or else we can use nth child even in
Share
round
your screen.
braces.
Share your screen and show me only formula.
Okay, formula. Sure, sir.
Only formula show.
Mm, like this, sir.
In how many way can we position an HTML element?
Mm, how many way can we position an HTML element?
Yes.
Like by using property, or like what?
Yes, proper.
Um, by using position, there is a one way. And also mm, mm, mm. also we can give margins.
Listen carefully first.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I say in how many may how many way can we position an HTML element? You heard about static, relative,
Okay,
absolute.
okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. No, I got it. Yes. There are static is by default. It is like a normal flow. One more is sticky, position sticky. One more is position fixed, and position relative and position absolute.
What is mean by sticky position?
Sticky means like with the help of helping property, at certain point we can fix that element. It is a combinator of position fixed and position relative. Mm, it's like if we give to a position sticky to an element and top is 0, when we scroll the mouse, when the element come to the top 0, it will stick to that point.
What is mean by specificity?
Specificity means like it is a precedence of an element, class, and ID, I can say. Means like as per the specificity, as per the specificity, it will it will override the lower specificity number. Means like tag has one specificity, class has 10 specificity, ID has means like 1,00 specificity. ID has the most number of specificity.
Okay. Yes. Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Advanced selector, there are many like combinator selectors are there, attribute selectors are there, and pseudo selectors are there in CSS.
Okay. Can you elaborate combinator and pseudo selectors?
Yeah, sure. So in combinator selector, there are four types of selectors: descendant selector, direct child selector, uh, and adjacent sibling selector and general sibling selector. In pseudo selector, there are two types of selectors. One is pseudo class and other one is pseudo elements. In pseudo class, there are multiple number of selectors, like from first child, last child, first of type, last of type, nth child, nth of type, and tag empty, tag not. Also, we have hover, active, and focus in pseudo class. In pseudo elements, we have first letter, first line, um, after, before, selection.
Yes.
Uh, yes,
Okay,
sir.
these are the property, but what is the basic difference between them?
Means like a basic difference between pseudo class and combinator selector, or
Pseudo class and pseudo element. What is the difference between them?
pseudo class and pseudo element. Mm, mm, Pseudo class is used to select element which is having same parent. Also, means like we can select element as per the property, like if we want to select the every second element, then we will use e1 nth child 2n, or nth child e1 1. Or if you want to select the type as per the type, then there is a first of type or last of type, or as per nth of type. And active focus over is this pseudo class is for, I think, we can apply animations or
Yes, I know. Okay, no problem. Uh, which type of symbol we use in general sibling selectors?
symbol in general sibling selector.
Yes.
Tilde.
Okay, what is the difference between nth child and nth of type?
Nth child, we can select any
Show
element as
me,
per the value.
just show me one with one example.
Okay. Yes. Sir,
My question was, is what is the difference between nth child and nth of type?
nth of type. Uh, mm, nth of type. I think we can select if paragraph is there, so we can select only paragraph. Means like with the help of nth child as and their value, we can select any list, or with the help of nth of type, we can select the type of tag. If the nth of type is paragraph, then we can select only paragraph, like this, sir.
Okay. Suppose we have one box. Its height width is 500 by 500, and black background color is black. And second, we have second box 100 by 100. The background color is red. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want to second box on the center of first box. That means match their both centers. How to achieve it? Just tell me.
uh, by using
First, yes. First, tell what.
I will create a box with width and height 500, and I will create another box within the first box of width 100 pixel and height 100 pixel, and if I have to bring that box into center, I will use property which is translate -50 pixel -50 pixel.
Directly.
I will give position property, position related to the parent box, and position absolute to the child.
And
And yeah, by using helping properties, I can arrange it as per the position, like top how many, and left how many.
okay. We will start on JavaScript. What is the function?
uh, Function. uh, Means like whenever we use functions, whenever there is a repetitive task, function helps to complete that task in one go. Also, means functions help us to user to interact with the UI. Function helps also, means like functions creates dynamic web content. It helps us to interact with the client, and mm, also, like, by using function we can manipulate perform operation
Okay.
to an HTML element.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is difference between define and undefined? Not defined. Undefined and not
Difference.
defined.
Okay, undefined and not defined.
Yes.
When we declare a variable, but and when we declare a variable but not initialize any value, then that variable is undefined. And when we when we did not declare any variable and try to console that variable, then it will be as not defined.
What is the hoisting?
Hoisting is a hoisting is a it's like every declaration will hoist in the JS file. Means like above line number one, there is a hoisting page or scope. Every HTML, every declaration will be stored there. Means like when we declared any variable and initialize any value, and we try to console that variable before that before the la- before it's declared, then the result will be undefined, because the variable stored in a hoisting page, but not the value. Means like in hoisting page only declaration will be stored, not the initialized value. So like whenever we try to console that variable before it's declared, it will be shown as undefined, because it is present in hoisting page.
Okay. What is the scope?
Scope scope is nothing. Scope means like availability and accessibility of any declaration. Scope are consist of like before ES6 to scope are consist of um, functional scope and global scope. Functional scope means like whatever declaration we declared present inside functional scope, uh, and whatever declaration we declared in the global scope, it is available and accessible anywhere in the page. Means like if we try to console in functional scope, whatever we declared in global scope, we can find that, because global scope is a parent scope, functional scope is a child scope. uh, and if we declare any variable in functional scope, we can't find in the global scope. And there are also also there is one more scope like block scope, which is created by let and constant. Mm, Oh, means like let and constants, it is like different scope. Like it will by using let we can we cannot declaration, but we can reassign the declaration in the same scope also. And in the case of const, we cannot redeclare, as well as we cannot reassign that declaration. Also, whenever we write the const, we must initialize the value. If we not initialized, it will throw an error. Also, in let and const, if we try to console before the line, it will throw an error. It is present in hosting page, still it will throw an error, uh, as we cannot access before initialization. And let and const create block scopes. Uh, that is scope, so that is scope.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the use of index of an caret?
What is the use of index of and caret method, right?
Yes.
By using index of method, we can find the uh, it is a string method. It is a string method. We can by using index of method, we can find the index number of the character. Also, by using caret method, we can print character on the basis of index number.
Okay. Declare one variable, str is equal to hello world.
Sure, sir.
Now show me.
Just a second, sir. I think it isn't wrong.
Show me example of index of. Don't run it. Just tell me first what will be the output. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Show me one example of index of.
It will give the index number of W.
Okay. Type it in a computer format.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't uncomment it. Type your answer in commented format
Okay,
only.
okay. It's like index number 6.
Okay. Now check it.
6. Oh, sorry. Console. Sir.
Open the code. Suppose remove the double quote from line number 6.
Okay.
Remove yes. Then what will be the output here?
Mm, output. I think it will throw an error.
Why?
I'm not sure because it is present in string and we it's like I'm not sure about it.
Give me
And
concrete answer.
mm, it will throw an error because it is present in string and we did not. It's like always we used to write in string.
Oh,
Shall I check it, sir?
yes.
World
Same
is
here.
not defined. Yes.
What is considered as now comment that line number 6 and 7 only. Yes. Okay. Now just print the two alphabet, last two alphabet, L and remove the exclamation sentence. Yes. Now print the only last two alphabet, L and D. How to achieve it?
Oh. Oh, it will give the last alphabet L.
Are you sure? I'm not asking like that way. Okay, just console it.
DL.
Okay, but I want it same line.
Okay, in same line.
Yeah, DL in same line. LD in same line. Okay, before how many methods we use to extract string?
Okay, yes, yes. Extract sing. There is a slice method. It is work in array also as well as string also.
And how many
And
methods we use to extract the string?
extract the string. Three methods: slice, substring, and substr.
Then how to achieve this?
Yes, let me try. Like we can give start index number and end index number from where we have to extract.
So
Shall I console this?
yes, okay,
Oh yeah, LD.
okay. Open the code. Suppose our string is dynamic. It
Okay.
changes each and every time. Sometimes it's 5 words, sometimes 100, sometimes 1,000.
Yes.
That time, how to achieve it?
Hmm, I
It's
think
hard coded.
uh we can give index number. Let me try.
Okay, you try it after the intro.
Sure.
Uh, now, what is difference between factor function and construction function?
Factor function and constructor functions. So
Tell me, what is the main motive behind that?
the main motive is like uh, means like primitive where the non-primitive data types holds reference whenever means like whenever means like there are two objects which is having same reference. In order to means like when we change the first object, automatically the second object will be changed. In order to remove that draw side effects, we use factory functions and constructor functions.
Can you repeat again?
Yes, sir. Means like if there are if more than two objects having same reference, if one of the objects value we've changed, then all the objects which is having same reference will be changed. Um, so we use factory functions or constructor functions to change the object value without changing other objects reference.
What is mean by higher order function?
High order function, the function uh, when we pass any other function as a argument to another function is also a function which we pass as an argument to another function is called higher order functions, and higher order function has callback function. Mm,
Okay. What is difference between for each and map method?
a difference between for each and map method. Mm, for by using for each we can iterate each and every element of an array, and by map uh, yeah, means like for if we are creating an object in for each, we have to push into an empty object. But in the case of map, we does not require to push it. We can return it to the new function. It will it will create automatically an object.
Object.
Uh, means like if while we creating an object.
Object. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes. So, means like with the means in map we in map. mm,
Okay, no problem. What is difference between sum and every method?
Sum and every method in some method. Yeah, in some method, as per the if we found any condition is if we found any condition is fulfilled, then it will stop the iteration and return. It will return result in boolean value. And every method it will continue the iteration until the all the elements result should be in true. If one of the elements found the condition is false, it will immediately stop that iteration and returns result in false.
Okay. What is difference between find and filter method?
Find and filter method. In find method, okay, yeah. In find method, like it as per the conditions, as per the condition, if you want to find any specific element, if the element is present, it will return result in boolean, and it will stop the iteration. Also, in filter method, we can iterate element as per the condition.
Okay. Try it after the brush upon it after the interview. Okay. Now declare one variable. Let num is equal to
Let num is let num is equal to
in double quote 10
10.
plus
Okay, double quote 10 plus
plus 10.
10
Yes. Then minus
minus
true.
true
Yes. Then plus
plus
1.
1.
Then don't run it. Just tell me what will be the output first. Okay.
Output, right?
Type your answer in commented format.
So minus 1. Yes, sir. This will be answer.
Sure.
Yes, sir. 10 concat, then minus true number minus. Yes, sir.
Okay. Check in console.
10, 10.
Okay. Now make it one as a string. After 2 plus 1, store it in double quote. At line number 15. Don't create.
Here, sir.
Yes, here. Remove the one. Just put it in double quote.
Double quote.
Yes. Or
5, right?
single. 1.
1.
Yes. Now what will be the output now?
The output will be just a second, like this, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, check it. Okay, okay, Shubham. Done from my side. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. Like, Miss, like, I just wanted to know the feedback, like how was my performance and where I can improve myself.
Okay. Ravi sir will send the feedback.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.